This is Chippy with Trackpad at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, and we're going straight to the HP stand here because the Compaq Airlife 100 is here, and this is the Snapdragon based netbook or smartbook or whatever you're allowed to call it these days, with the Android operating system. Now we've had 10 minutes to have a little play around with this, and actually pretty impressed. Weighs under 1 kilo, it's very light, touchscreen. So we can start applications through the touchscreen here, and the UI has actually been tailored quite nicely. There's been a problem on other devices. We've got the correct buttons for Android on the mouse pad. We've got a mouse pointer as well, but we haven't got the Google Android experience here, so you won't be able to put your account details in and get your contacts synced, and we haven't got the Google Marketplace. But it's going to be pretty much carrier dependent. But for example, Telefonica in Spain here have the M-Store app. So I think depending on which carrier takes this, means you're going to get different app stores. Let's hope they all work together with Compaq to kind of bring all the apps to all the different stores under their own brands. So we talk about these devices, these smartbooks on Trackpad quite a bit. There's one feature that really sets these guys apart from netbooks, and that's that I can do that. And that will last for 12 hours. It's online. It's still connected to the internet. It's still active. It's not in any sort of standby state at all. And there, my emails will be picked up. My tweets will be coming in. Everything that I'm used to on my smartphone will also be happening for the first time on a smartbook. And I think this is one of the key features now for smartbooks that people need to think about. Once you have this always active state, you're going to find it very difficult to go back to a netbook where you have to switch it on and switch it off and switch it on and wait 20, even if it's 5 seconds. That's annoying, because then you've got 10 seconds to connect to the internet and then another 10 seconds. It's 30-second operation all the time. So pricing wise, there's no details on this yet. Telefonica have announced that they're going to have this, but we don't have pricing. I mean, I would expect it has to be zero cost with a 5 gig data contract. Maybe 30 euros a month. We don't know yet, but let's hope it also appears in other markets. It's not going to be sold direct yet. We haven't heard that it's going to be sold direct yet. Is that correct? Only through carriers at the moment. So if this one, I mean, I would buy one of these. If this was like $299, this always on feature is absolute killer for me. And it's got that nice build quality. It's got the great keyboard that we've seen on the HP Minis that are also here on the stand, but that touchscreen, that 3G is going to be really nice. Let's do a quick few app demos. So Jose here is going to take us through a few applications on the Compaq Airlife 100.
So I will show you the photo application. We have some video running and stuff.
Remember, this is on the Snapdragon platform, so this is hardware accelerated video. You probably won't be able to see this on my very poor VGA quality camera, but actually the quality of that is quite nice. It's a matte screen as well. It's not a glossy screen. Not the brightest and doesn't have the best viewing angle that I've seen, but it's pretty vivid.
So you can have all your pictures here. You can put it with an SD card, you know, you can put it via from your computer. You can put all this card here. You have, this is like a photo gallery where all the stuff is there, but then you can, you know, organize this on your nice albums. If you want to show it to your friends, you can do that in this flick mode, you know.
Oh, nice. Yeah, that's very smooth. Can I? Oh.
Yeah, sure.
That's a nice little demo. So what you need to do is get an application that looks at your hand from the camera, so you can do this. Okay.
As well, for all your photos, you know, you can select them and easily direct from this application. You can share it to all of them.
This is another good feature of Android, the ability to use that share feature.
Also, let me show you for some. You have, of course, the music.
This is your own music app, or?
Yeah, we have some music app, you know.
Actually, the speakers are pretty good as well. It's not bad at all. Okay.
We have also internet radio here building. You know.
So you'll be able to.
We have, it's a M store. We have the eBuddy for all your IM clients.
Sure.
Let's open here some stuff. We will have the AccuWeather.
Right, so here's a look at some of the apps that we could expect.
You have the backup application, so you can do your security copies.
Facebook app.
Camcorder, so you can still take your video.
Yeah.
You can demonstrate the windows.
Here, you can still take your video, and send it via email, via MMS. You can send MMS
actually not
from
too
here.
bad. That's it. Camera's not bad quality at all. Very good. Like it.
And we can install it.
Yeah, also this is from here you get all your news, the latest news from
RSS reader,
RSS reader. What else we have here? We have the Exchange support from those guys who wants to have their email here.
Yep.
Then we have their own file manager, where you have internal storage, your SD card.
Yeah.
We also you can also put it here. Oh, sorry. See? You have some remote account, like Google Docs, like MobileMe. You can put it here, and you will have it loaded here.
Right.
It's taking so long. Anyway, so just connect that. It will be added to your file manager. Yeah. We have also Quickoffice. You will be able to edit, even editing
as well. Okay, it's the editing
all the
version,
options.
right?
And you will have the PDF viewers as well.
Okay.
What else do we have here? Email. You can course have your email, they are all pre-configured. It's easy to the user just to enter the login password and
yeah.
What else do we have here? Photos.
No Twitter app, but what's in the App Store at the moment? For example,
the moment it's under construction. It's the layout. Here we have.
Right. So this is one of your big, or the carrier's big issues. They need to get the developers to start putting apps in, or they need to start taking other apps and putting them in.
Yeah, it's under construction, so we'll have some apps here.
Right,
we're working together with Telefonica on having the most popular Android apps size for this 10-inch screen. So, and as you can see, this is built for this device. So you don't have any Windows keys. You have like the search key directly from here to search the screen.
That search the whole device plus the internet. Yeah. I know that from the Arcos devices.
You have just browser. You have your menu here. The trackpad is really great.
Yeah, let's just do a quick demo of the browser because that was pretty fast. And we're on 3G here. So there's UMP's portal. Let's go to the web search first. So that's quick, and just counting that in my head. 5, 6, 7. This is good. I mean, anything under 12 seconds is pretty good, to be honest, especially with my fat website. That's really nice. It's smooth. The scroll's not too smooth, and of course, resistive touchscreen. Some people will moan that it's not a capacitive touchscreen, but it's nice and accurate. That's the advantage with the resistive.
Zoom in here,
Good zoom. Really, really nice. Right, let's have a quick look at around the device. Hold on. Alright then, so from the left hand side then we've got mini USB, what it looks like, a headphone port and the power port, and then going around the front underneath, got speakers left and right. Just on the top there, let's have a quick look at that. This is a trackpad with the correct buttons on it for Android, so you've got the menu, home and back button on the trackpad as well. And that's a really nice keyboard. It's actually, I think, exactly the same as on the
92% of the space we have here is for the keyboard switch.
Right. Separate buttons for volume up the top there, and there's the power button on the top left. On the other side here we have just the SD card slot, and on the back is nothing, I assume. But on the bottom you've got this battery slot. That looks like a pretty big battery. I mean, this is if you think of a smartphone battery is about that big. So it's about 15 to 20 watt hour battery, I would say. Which is why
I would say all day computing, but all day connected.
We were discussing this a minute ago. Is it really 12 hours online active? And the answer is yes. It's 12 hours. We'll have to test this, of course. I'm going to see if I can get a hold of one for a good test. I have to say that this is probably one of the first smart books I've seen that's actually been useful and challenges the sort of netbook usage model. So we'll be interested to get hold of this and do some more testing. So this is Steve Payne with CarryPad at the Compaq HP stand MWC 2010 with the Compaq Airlife 100.